Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video we're going to be converting an office closet into a closet office, and it's also called a cloffice. So this is part of an overall transformation of this new space. So about 4 months ago I started this YouTube channel, and looking back on it, I can't believe how naive I was. I thought it would be as simple as, buying a tripod, pressing record. So much more to learn about filmmaking, and there's the F word, filmmaker, and I never dreamed that that's basically what I'm transforming into, but that seems to be what it is. Yeah, the videos may be about, say, making a firewood rack, but the trick is to film that process in a cinematic way that connects the viewer on an emotional level, and that's really the tricky part. Until now, I've been doing all my film editing on my phone, and so to have a dedicated space for filmmaking is going to be great, and hopefully that's what this new office can bring. The question is, in the case of this new office, what is being transformed? The office or me? So now that you got some backstory on the office and Mike Raymond transformation, let's see the transformation of the office. And here's the standing rolling desk along with the new cloffice desk. And I kept things pretty simple because I've got the two desks as it is. I want to see how I'm using it more, but this may be the last video of the year, and we got the holidays approaching, so I want to wish everybody a very happy and safe holidays and Merry Christmas.